Are you running a Facebook page you no longer need? Whether it's a failed business page, an old project, or a duplicate page, in this video, I'll show you how to delete a Facebook page permanently, step by step. Hi everyone, welcome back to Mendit Tech, your go-to channel for fixing tech problems the easy way. Let's get started. Before deleting your Facebook page, keep these points in mind. You must be an admin of the page. Once deleted, the page cannot be recovered after 14 days. Facebook gives you 14 days grace period to cancel deletion. All posts, photos, followers, and data will be lost permanently. If you're sure, follow the steps carefully.
Method 1. Delete Facebook page using mobile app. Android, iPhone. Step 1. Open Facebook app. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and log in. Step 2. Go to your page. Tap on Menu. Tap on Pages. Now, select the page you want to delete. Step 3. Open Page Settings. On your page, tap the gear icon, Settings. Then go to Page Settings. Step 4. Access Page Access and Control. Scroll down and tap on Access and Control. Step 5. Delete the page. Now tap Deactivation and Deletion. Select Delete Page. Then tap Continue. Step 6. Confirm deletion. Facebook may ask for your password. Enter it and tap Delete Page. That's it. Your page is now scheduled for deletion.
Deleting a Facebook page is easy if you follow the correct steps. Just remember, once 14 days are over, there's no way back. If this video helped you, give it a like, share it with someone who needs it, and for more easy tech tutorials, subscribe to Mendit Tech. See you in the next video.